Series titles with the San Francisco Giants, the first of which was a 5-game win over the Texas Rangers in 2010. The connection? The Rangers general manager Chris Young played for Bochy in San Diego in 2006. From the sports desk, Victor Zaragoza, KCBS.
We are talking about our world today. Oh, and someone's on the line.
Hi, I'm Jacqueline.
Welcome, Jacqueline. How old are you? You sound so young.
I'm 8.
Oh, wow. I assume you're a student, right?
Yes, from Jefferson Elementary. And I have a question.
Sure. And what's your question?
We all know the Earth has 7 continents that currently carry 193 countries. Those continents make up 29% of the Earth's surface, meaning that the vast majority of our planet, 71%, is comprised of water. Taking into consideration man automatically adapts to environmental conditions, why is it that I need to take swimming lessons?
Are you ready for kids who eat healthy? Good nutrition can lead to great things. To find out how a healthy lifestyle can help your child succeed, go to mypyramid.gov. A public service announcement brought to you by the Ad Council and USDA.
Frank Munich is back. He's got our latest look at traffic.
Oh, and we're looking at a continued closure of the McKee Road off-ramp from southbound 680. That's because of a hit-and-run crash involving a car without a left front tire, and the operation to try and clear that off of the off-ramp continues. It's a bit blustery over the Altamont Pass. We have a high wind advisory in effect for Highway 580, but nothing in the way of fog advisories, and we're not looking at much, if any, fog at the Golden Gate Bridge, looking through our cameras at the tolls. We are looking at road work in Berkeley, as we've been mentioning, eastbound 80. At Gilman Street, we have the 2 right lanes coned off for work to build a pedestrian and bicycle crossing. At some point in the next couple of hours, we're going to see the 4 right lanes shut down with only the left lane getting by. Remember, the KCBS phone force number is where you can reach us at 415-391-KCBS. That's 415-391-5227. Your next update at 12:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Your KCBS 6-day forecast. The National Weather Service has actually issued a frost advisory for the Bay Area until 9 o'clock this morning. Pretty chilly out, or it will be chilly. Right now it's not super cold, but we are looking at some temperatures in the 30s later on this morning, 40s in other parts of the Bay Area. Later on today, sunny skies. It'll be another pretty day with highs mid-60s to mid-70s. And then for the remainder of the week and on into next Saturday, it will be partly to mostly sunny with highs 60s with some low 70s. Right now in San Francisco, it's 59 degrees. San Rafael, 55 degrees. Morgan Hill, Redwood City, and Pleasant Hill, 52 degrees. So again, not super cold yet, but we may get there still. Traffic and weather.